Hi, my name is Dr. John Gaines'S, and welcome to my virtual experience. And this is what I believe. Start every single day with a great thought. Great thoughts like, I am kind, I am smart, I have value. Because great thoughts lead to great actions. What we think about becomes words, and what we talk about becomes action. And when we begin to act those things out on a daily basis, those great actions become great habits. And those great habits, that's what leads to our great purpose. So decide today to start with a great thought. I came from a young boy with learning disabilities. I came from a young boy faced with adversity. I came from a young boy full of pain, and I'm only here today, now with my doctorate degree, now as a family man, as a husband, and a father. I'm now walking in my great purpose, all because I decided at the age of 7 to start every day with a great thought. Thank you so much. Keep pushing.